Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ reviews and my thoughts about these lipsticks and also lip swatches for these lipsticks. So before getting into the video, guys, if you like the content on my channel and also if you like the videos, please do like and share my video with your family and friends, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I put up a new video, and also subscribe to my channel. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Guys, I would be making two parts, part 1 and part 2, because swatching all these lipsticks and sharing it with you in one part would be difficult. So guys, talking about the first lipstick I have is from Just Herbs. These are the pocket size, travel size liquid lipsticks from Just Herbs. You get big size lipsticks in these also, so you can buy those liquid lipsticks or you can buy these travel size liquid lipsticks. I have all three kits with me. So talking about this liquid lipsticks, you get 5 different shades in one kit, and these are lightweight moisturizing creamy matte liquid lipsticks. These are formulated with licorice, cica and sweet almond oil, which nourish your lips, keeps your lips hydrated, and they do not dry your lips. These are non-drying creamy matte liquid lipsticks. And talking about the packaging, guys, this is a cardboard packaging that you get, and you get 5 travel size mini lipsticks in this. Behind you get all the manufacturing date and expiry date is mentioned. Once you open this packet, you get 5 liquid lipsticks here. I'll show it to you. This is the liquid lipstick. Can you see it? This is a small size liquid lipstick, travel friendly, pocket friendly liquid lipstick. Nothing is mentioned on this packaging. Everything is mentioned on this packaging, so you can carry it while you are traveling. This is a pocket friendly travel size liquid lipstick. These are very nice lightweight liquid lipsticks. Lipstick in one swipe you get very nice pigmentation. You can see. So I would say these are very nice lipsticks. You can invest in this, and I would be mentioning the price and everything on the screen or in the description box, and I would be giving link for the same. Guys, these are paraben free and cruelty free lipsticks. They are vegan lipsticks, so you can think of buying these lipsticks. These are very nice lipsticks. Guys, I would be adding swatches for all these 3 kits. I would be adding a clip so you can have a look. So guys, coming to the next liquid lipsticks, I have Hero liquid lipsticks. These are Hero lip lacquer. I have 7 shades with me. These are the 7 shades that I would be swatching for y'all. See, these are Hero Super Butter Lip Lacquer. This has cardboard packaging. The price and the manufacturing date and the expiry date is mentioned on this packaging. So once you open the packaging, you get the lipstick. The cap is black in color. Bottom is transparent. Name of the shade is mentioned on this at the bottom of this lipstick. And the applicator is doe foot applicator. You can see this is the doe foot applicator, and it is ultra moisturizing and it is very pigmented. In just one swipe you get very nice pigmentation. You can see you get very nice pigmentation. And Hero claims that it has 5 types of butter: muru butter, mango butter, Kupua butter, cocoa butter and shea butter. And because of these butter, lips do not get chapped, they feel hydrated. And these lipsticks are non-drying creamy lip lacquer. It is paraben free, cruelty free and 100% vegan. It has intense color payoff. Just one swipe you get very nice pigmentation. I'll show you. See? In just one swipe you get nice pigmentation, and this lip lacquer are very lightweight and non-drying. So if you like something like glossy and not very matte, then guys you can try this. These are very nice lightweight lip lacquer. So I would be swatching all the 7 shades and putting in the clips. So without any further ado, let's get into the lip swatches. This was part 1, so you can see part 2. I would be making a part 2 for the lip swatches. So this was it for today, guys. See you in the next video.